Hello, everyone. My name is Laura Odobong. I am here to talk to you about prenatal nutrition. In today's workshop, we are going to answer the who, what, where, when, and why. In the who are we going to talk to? We are going to talk to the pregnant women, children, and healthcare providers. What? The what is going to be an invitational and reflective workshop on prenatal nutrition and resources. Where is going to be in Ukwa Ebrutu Health Center. When? Every Monday by 8 a.m. For those who cannot make it to the 8 a.m. section, we'll have the opportunity to attend the 4 p.m. session, which is going to be in the evening. Why? The why is to create awareness on balanced diet and guide participants to select the best prenatal nutrition meal plan that can help them before, during, and after pregnancy. And we are also going to talk about other things that will help the pregnant woman to stay fit and to be healthy. I discovered that in general, the pregnant women in Odopani communities had inadequate information about the nutrition they need for themselves and their growing babies. So it is important to raise an awareness about nutrition during pregnancy to improve the health of the mother and the growing baby. And that is what motivated me to organize this workshop. But before we go into the training proper, I'll strongly recommend that when it comes to food in general, keep it real. Eat what you feel comfortable eating. Eat good nutrition food you feel will help you to live healthy and the baby. The objective of this workshop is to guide participants to select the best prenatal nutrition meal plan that can help them before, during, and after pregnancy. And that is why we welcome not just the pregnant women, but also women who are preparing themselves to become pregnant, to become a mother in future. Second objective is to guide the participant to draft a plan for implementing a balanced diet that will reduce the risk of anemia in children. And in one of the training, we are going to talk about meal plan. The third objective is to increase the participants' knowledge about the three community-based packages in caring for newborns and children in the community, their benefits and also requirements. And this is one of the things that World Health Organization are really emphasizing. Supporting your body during pregnancy involves nutrition, movement, and love. It's not just what we eat that is key. Even the way we take care of ourselves, the thing we like doing, those things also count. So we are not just going to focus on nutrition. We are also going to talk about how we can take care of ourselves, how we can love ourselves when we are pregnant, during pregnancy. This week, let's talk just nutrition and all those things that we need to do. In pregnancy, you need extra support for your vital organs, including the placenta, which is about to form and will pass nutrients to your baby. Nichols, in her book titled Real Food for Pregnancy, The Science and Wisdom of Optimal Prenatal Nutrition, employs the plate method to evaluate food choices and portions. She recommends that half the plate be non-starchy vegetables, 1/4 be protein and good fat, and 1/4 be carbohydrates, specifically grains, legumes, starchy vegetables, fruit, and dairy. These portion recommendations are a dramatic departure from current guidelines. Now, when we talk about prenatal nutrition, let's get started with these daily pregnancy nutrition recommendations. As a pregnant woman or a woman who is also preparing to become a mother, 4 to 6 protein servings daily, 5 or 6 servings of veggies, 1 yellow fruit or veggies, 1 apple or a small bowl of berries, 1 to 2 cups of whole grains, 4 quarts of water, salt to taste, but not too much of salt. These are some of the recommendations that will help you live a healthy life, that will help you also take care of your growing baby. Nutrition trainings given by nutrition specialists may result in more effective quantitative results. So, dear mothers to be, dear friends, visit your doctors, nutritionists, and adhere to their advice because they will give you the best advice. I wish you all the best in your journey to motherhood, and I hope that we are here to take notes and also to practice what we learned today. At this juncture, we are going to just go get light refreshment. And during the refreshment, there's going to be a role play of all some of the things we have discussed. We have some people who role play and will just have fun and enjoy ourselves. Please, if you have any question, just write it down. There will be question and answer section. Thank you. After the refreshment and the role play, we'll have a breakout. So until then, see you. Do have a nice time enjoying your meal and also the role play. Welcome back from the refreshment and the role play. So at this time, there's going to be a breakout. We're going to have 5 groups, and in those 5 groups, we are going to have experts who will address us on different topics. The first group will be creating a pregnancy diet, healthy eating during pregnancy. At this group, you are going to learn about nutrition plan, how some of the food you need to eat and some of the food that you need to try to avoid. So there's going to be a plan of each meal, each day meal. Then the second group will be the topic, how does nutrition affect pregnancy? In this group, they're going to tell you how nutrition can affect the baby you are carrying, how nutrition also can affect you. The third group the topic will be foods to avoid during pregnancy. They will also touch on some foods you need to eat, but there are some food that you need to avoid as a pregnant woman. And also, he will also address some of the food that if you are also planning to become a mother soon, some of the meals, some of the nutrition you need to avoid. Then the fourth group also will talk about physical fitness and my baby. So it's going to talk about some of the exercises you can engage, some you should try to avoid, and the effect this physical fitness will have to your baby. Then the last group will talk about my weight. Are you hurting? Are you overweight? Are you underweight? What can you do about it? So he is also going to address this. Have fun. And please don't forget to write down your question because we have experts that will answer your questions. Okay, after that, this is the time for question and answer. We are very lucky to have Professor Princewell Adam here with us. He's going to answer most of the questions. Please feel free. And also, I just want us to know that we also will have opportunity to answer questions because I know most of us here know what we need to do and what we need to avoid. So if you also want to make a contribution, you are welcome to do so. Thank you so very much. We have come to the end of our workshop. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I'm so grateful for our invited guests who came also to address us on various topics. And I hope to see you again next week, Monday. And you're still welcome to join us during the evening section. Thank you.